Kheema toffees. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add salt to taste. Add 1 ts of oil or ghee. Mix and combine well. Gradually add water and make soft dough. Leave it for 10 minutes. Heat pan and add 1 ts of oil. Add 1 chopped onion. Add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste. Stir fry. Add half tsp of turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Add 1 tsp of red chili powder. Add 250 grams of kheema and mix. Cover and cook for 10–12 minutes on low flame. Stir in between and cook till water is absorbed. Add 1 finely chopped carrot. Mix and cook. Add half tsp of garam masala powder. Add 2 tsps of chopped mint and coriander leaves and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Kheema is cooked, will turn off flame. Let it cool down. Divide dough into small portions. Dough balls are ready. Apply some flour on dough balls and roll. Cut the chapati as shown. Take 1 piece of chapati and place other pieces aside. Take 1 tsp of kheema and place in middle. Fold from one side. Press nicely from other sides. Press with fork from sides to seal it properly. Gently press from 2 ends to give toffee shape. Repeat the process to make remaining toffees. Kheema toffees are ready for frying. Heat oil in a kadai and fry them. Fry them on medium flame. Fry until crisp golden brown. Kheema toffees are fried well. Remove them. Kheema toffees are done. Tasty and delicious Kheema toffees are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.